Today we will solve numerical based on acceleration, force and mass. The statement of the numerical is the acceleration of two objects are 5 meter per second square and 20 meter per second square. If the mass of both the objects would be combined and a force of 50 Newton would be applied on them, what will be their acceleration? So in the statement we have been given that there are two objects. Acceleration of one object is 5 meter per second square and of other object is 20 meter per second square. It is asking that if we combine both these objects and a force of 50 Newton is applied on them, what would be their acceleration? So first of all we will calculate the masses of both the objects because mass have not been given here. So first of all we will calculate the mass of two objects. Let the mass of first object is m1. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we are now taking the first object whose acceleration is 5 meter per second square and force acting on it is 50 Newton. And we know that formula of force is mass into acceleration, that is m1 into a1. m1 is the mass of the object, first object, and a1 is the acceleration. So we will put here the values. Force is 50 Newton and we have to calculate the mass. Acceleration is 5 meter per second square. So it will come out to be, mass of the first object will come out to be 10 kilogram. Similarly, now we try the same formula on the second object. Let mass of the second object is m2 and acceleration of the object which has been given to us is 20 meter per second square, that is a2. a2 is the acceleration of second object, m2 is the mass of the second object. So applying the same formula, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration. Here we have written m2 and a2 because in this other object we have already let that mass of the object is m2 and acceleration is a2. Putting the values in this equation, the mass m2 will be 2.5 kilogram. Now according to a statement, if we combine both these objects and a force of 50 Newton is applied, what will be their acceleration? So we have to combine the mass of both objects. m1 we have already calculated is 10 kg and m2 is 2.5 kg. Total mass of both, that is m1 plus m2, will be 12.5 kilogram. We have been, all these things are given, we have to find out acceleration. We know that acceleration is equal to force upon mass. Here mass we have calculated is 12.5 kg. 12.5 kg and force is given to us is 50 Newton. Putting these values, it will, after multiplying and dividing, it will come out to be 4 meter per second square. That's the answer.